like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have a Temu haul. And if my addresses show, don't worry about it because I only have a PO box. And anyhow, I've got several boxes here, or bags piled up here, and I'm going to go through until we get our time up. And I'm trying to get stuff pre-recorded for when I go to Louisiana. And as you can see, the sun is going down, and I'm in the living room, so I'm trying to get what I can without, so if it starts really being bothersome, I will just stop and then come back in here later this evening when the sun goes down. But I'm trying to get what I can so that to get it all recorded, because I can at least edit it while I'm gone. So I'm just going to kind of try to keep a close eye on the time on this, because that's the only way I know to do this. And the first thing I don't have the prices on here, but I will put them on the screen when I edit. But this way you get to see my actual first reaction. Okay, these are 2 bras. It's a set of 2. Gotta get these for my mom because these look awful small. I might have got these for my mother. Let me see what size they are. They are, no, they would be mine, but they look awful small. No, I don't know if they're going to fit me, but we'll see. If not, I'll give them to my mom. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is, but we're going to open it up and find out. Sorry about the crunch. What the heck is it? I see what it is now, but I'm like, why would I order that? This is a travel thing for one of those rollers. Hair rolling things, but I don't use that, so I don't know why I would have ordered this. Yeah, it's probably one of them free things that came up. It's got something floating around in it. Oh, it's got one of these in it. But I'll probably give it to one of the girls, because I'm sure one of them has one of those. It's one of those, like, Dyson things. Very well made. It is very well made. So I'll stick that over there in that box because that's the to give away box. And okay, and then I got this shirt, and this is a 2XL, and I'll be honest with you, it's getting where 2XLs are way too big for me. So, but anyhow, this is a shirt, and I will try it on. Yeah, they're getting where they're just way too big for me, where I've been losing weight. So I've been trying to get some just regular 1XLs. And oh, looky, looky, looky. I got my baby some Crocs. Look, these are cute. These are adorable. Look at these little Crocs. Yeah, I was wondering if they went around their thing, but and they do. But look. Looky there. It's got their little ornaments on it and stuff. But aren't those cute? Oki's gonna love them. Oki's gonna love them. I don't know if they'll fit her or if they'll be too big, but Oki's gonna love them. And I think I eventually ordered another pair for Lakeland. We got Oakland, Lakeland, and Skyland. So those will go to Okie because she's the oldest. And this is just some elastic that you make necklaces out of, or bracelets, I mean. And as I told you before, I get those bracelets, and they're never big enough for my wrist. Those crystal bracelets. So I just use this and make me another one. And I just add a bead to it. So that works. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I feel other stuff in here. I feel weight. Okay, there's that. I have no idea what this is either. But I'm going to open it and we'll find out. I have no idea what this one is. And it's starting to affect my... Just go down, Mr. Sun. Oh. This is a portable screwdriver. So I got that for Jerry Wayne because he was talking about how handy his one was and he lost it. So I got several, but this is pretty nice actually. Look. It's got all the bits. It's got all the bits, and then you got your handle here. And then just, so I'm just gonna stick that there. And I'll put it in his pile because I got like 3 different versions. Let's see if I can get this to quit shining on my face. No, it's not. Okay, anyway, then I got these, and there's 2 of them. And what these are, I got these for the neighbor lady to put on her privacy fence. And I thought, well, she's always wanting me to put, so her kids can put their handprints on her thing. But she's yet to tell me if she wants it white in the background or what. So I got her 2 of these. And one's turquoise, one's red. And then I got a few more coming. She babysits 6 kids. So I thought, well, we could put, and then put their handprints underneath it. So, that's what I got it for. And then I have this shirt. And I don't know how to prevent this at all. Well, anyway, I got this shirt. And I will try it on also. And there's that. I paid next to nothing for this, and it's got fake buttons on it, which isn't that always nice. But it'll be good working in the garden shirt, so working in the yard, the garden, whatever. So I'm going to grab this bag. I don't know how to prevent that. Hold on. Okay, guys, that's the best I can get it for now. We're just going to try this the best way we can. Oh, I got this from my daughter-in-law. And it says, I love my husband, but sometimes I really want to square off. So that's for my daughter-in-law. I think I finally found her the perfect shirt. I just have to watch to keep my face out of that. This right here. So there's that. That's for my daughter-in-law. That has to go with me. Oh. I'm sorry if I get frustrated. I'm just trying to get stuff done. And this is not cooperating. Okay, and then I got this for me. Because I could. Well, oh, just come on. I have unzipped this both directions and there it goes. Nothing wants to go right today. And I have somewhere I have to be tomorrow all day. So, here's my Cincinnati shirt. And there you go. Ain't that cool? I'm rather excited because, you know, I love my Reds. I love my Reds. And my Indians. When I was a child, we used to, I used to bet the trash man. He worked with my dad. And I always bet him on Cincinnati. And he always took the other team just because he liked screwing with me. But that's okay. Okay. What is this one? Okay, and these are just extenders for a necklace. I was gifted a necklace from a company, and it's like, so I just got an extender so I could do the video for it. And then this is just one of these little rings. I got 2 of those. What I do with those is I put them on my remotes in my bedroom, and then I put a hook, one of the hooks from Dollar Tree, either on the side of my bedstand or on the wall, and I hang them on there. That way, I don't lose them. And then I got this one for my son, but feeling it, he'll probably never wear it because it's that nylon blend, and the guys won't. It says, I'm an adult, technically, because, you know, But he may wear this. It's not too bad. But it is kind of, it's got like a nylon blend in it. So if he won't wear it, my daughter-in-law will. And then, I have no idea what, oh, I know what these are. Yeah, I got this because there's 2 of them here. But they will hold my inhaler, and I have an inhaler right there. I will show you how they work. Yeah, you can put your inhaler in here. I don't know if it goes this way or the other. Yeah, it goes this way. And it goes right on your keychain. So I thought that'd be good for my walks. Because I could hook it onto my belt loops. So I got 2 of those. Because it was like, you could get 1 for a certain price, or you could get 2 for like 40 cents more. So I just went ahead and got 2. Because I thought if nothing else, I can give it to my grandson. And then I got this one. I got this for my little niece. It says, if you think I'm short, you should see my temper. And she is about, probably all of 4'8". Let's open another. Let's open another. I got a whole bunch of them here. We'll open one more on this one. Maybe. Where am I at? Oh, that's right. I forgot. I did part of it on the other one. I got to sit up on this because, yeah, I have a poster board in my window trying to keep you from seeing. So I'm just trying to do the best I can with what I have. So I'm trying to get all this done before I leave for Louisiana. And I've only got a couple days, and I have a doctor's appointment about an hour and a half away tomorrow. And I have to get up in the morning and go sit with my friend's mom. Because she's had a couple strokes here in the last 2 weeks, so she's not really doing very well. He doesn't want to leave her alone during the day, and I don't blame him. But these, let's see what I got here. Oh, I don't even know. These, and so that goes over here. Oh, that's it. Okay, I got these because I ordered that dresser, and it's one of those cloth ones, but I'll be honest with you, it came with the cheapest looking pulls. And I just thought, well, I'm going to see if I can't get some from Temu. And I did, but I can't seem to open it. Jeez. Nothing has gone right today. Nothing. I got up this morning, took my walk, fine. Took my second walk, fine. Came home and I was, aren't those cute? And my room is pretty much Hollywood glam, so I'm doing some changes in there, but that'll still match. So we got that. But I thought I ordered a whole lot of those, and I don't really see that many of them. I only saw about 3 or 4. I'm going to have to get a hold of somebody, probably. Oh, here's a bunch. Okay, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe. I thought I ordered more than that, but I'll have to do some counting and see what I need and what I ordered. Then this, I have no idea. Oh, this is another one of those, I think, I'm not sure. But I think this is another one of those screwdriver sets, but maybe not. No, it's not. This is a liner for my crock pot. Is that what it is? I mean, I have a huge crock pot, but it doesn't really look like a crock pot to me, but it's silicone, so I'm sure that's what it is. But it has no shape to it, so who knows? I imagine you probably put this over the handles. Probably, but my hand... So anyway, we'll see. We'll see about that too, because it's just not... It doesn't really look feasible, but we'll see. Let's see, now the sunlight's coming in again. I can't move it again because it won't hold it. I'm getting mad. Can you tell I'm getting mad? Okay, then this is another t-shirt for one of the kids. I'm not sure which one. I'm not sure which one. These bags, you go one way and you think you got it. He ended up going back and forth 40 times. And this is from my great-grandson, or from my grandson, not my great-grandson. That would be terrible. And it just says, "You, my friend, should have been swallowed." These are really nylon-y, and they've never been nylon-y. They have that, like, nylon mix. It's not as bad as Temu, but I've gotten a lot of shirts through here, t-shirts through here, and they have always been... So we're going to try it this way. We're going to try it this way now. I'm going to scoot a little more. Okay, let's see if that works. Probably not. Nothing has today. Okay. Oh, this is a worry ring, and my grandson wanted it. And it's one of those rings. I don't know why he wanted a worry. Oh, I know why. No, this is not. I don't know what this is. This is just a ring. I don't know. It's one of those days, people. It's actually pretty. I don't want it, but it's pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's very pretty. But I don't want nobody thinking I want it or anything, but there you go. It's pretty. Very pretty. It's right on this finger. Might look better on that finger. It's pretty. But I couldn't get it off. It's like, oh, shoot. Yeah. Okay, here's another one. And why they got all these packed in two bags. Totally unnecessary, guys. Okay, there's this one. I believe. Oh, this is a pair of shorts. But these are swim shorts. So maybe there's a top to that somewhere. Maybe not. But they're swim shorts. They even have the little... So maybe it was my accident. Who knows? I do that sometimes. These look like they're going to be even large for me. And I'm living large. So I'll put that in my pile just because I will try them on whatever I figure out. Then I have this. This is another one of those shirts, so I don't know who I'm going to give that to because my grandson is about the only one I know that's as big as my grandson. He's like 6'4", and he's a big old boy. He's built like his grandpa's side of the family. So I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I'll just put it somewhere, and we'll see if we can't find somebody to hand it to, or I'll donate it. Because it was only supposed to be one, but they do that sometimes. And it's usually, when I look, it's like, no, they didn't charge me for it. And last time I went through all that, they just told me to keep it. So, and then this one says, what does it say? 9 out of 10 voices in my head tell me I'm crazy. One just hums. And I got that from my son, but whether he'll wear it or not, I don't know. Because it's that nylon-y crap. And I don't know when they switch to that. I won't buy any more then. So, that's this one. This haul. We do all kinds of unboxings here. Fridays, I always do a Temu. And I'm getting ready to go to Louisiana, so I'm trying to record ahead. So ignore my little, I'm trying to record ahead. So, but we do all kinds of unboxings. We do Temu hauls. We do beauty boxes, subscription boxes. You name it, we do it. So come on back. Join us. Like and subscribe.